Imagine a library, but instead of books, it holds information organized in a specific way. That's essentially a database. It's a central repository for storing and managing large amounts of structured data, like information about customers, products, or financial transactions. Why databases? Spreadsheets might work for small data sets, but databases offer several advantages such as organization. Data is meticulously structured, making it easy to find and retrieve specific information. Efficiency. Storing and retrieving data is faster, especially with large datasets. Data integrity ensures data accuracy and consistency by preventing duplication and errors. Security. Access to data can be controlled and restricted to authorized users. The building blocks. Think of a database like a filing cabinet with drawers, tables, holding folders, records. Each folder contains information sheets, fields with specific details, data. Tables represent categories of information like customers or products. Records, individual entries within a table like a specific customer or product. Fields, attributes or characteristics within a record like customer name or product price. How do we access this data? We use a special language called SQL, Structured Query Language, to interact with databases. It allows us to create and modify tables, define the structure and add, remove data. Retrieve data. Select specific information based on certain criteria. Update data. Modify existing information in the database. Delete data. Remove unwanted information when necessary. As you delve deeper, you'll discover their remarkable capabilities in organizing, manipulating, and extracting valuable insights from information.